This 2025 Grech RV Strada LOUNGE-ION is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grech RV is 24 feet 2 inches in length and features TV, LP detector, water heater, DVD player, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2025 Grech RV Strada LOUNGE-ION is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.